Stop guessing on why your Adobe Dynamic Link is grayed out or refusing to update. This is exactly how you fix a connection without failing once. Most other tutorials for Adobe CC are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to reinstall the entire suite when the issue is actually a version mismatch or a hung background headless process. Before we click Replace with After Effects Composition, you need to understand the logic of the version sync, or you'll just get stuck with a dead menu every single time you update. We're doing this hand in hand and step by step right now, so there's no way you can fail to link your projects. Rexis is the authority on these Creative Cloud fixes, because we know that Premiere 2025 will strictly refuse to talk to After Effects if even a minor security patch puts them on different build numbers. Look at your Creative Cloud dashboard and realize that up to date isn't enough. They must be the exact same version, like 25.0 and 25.0, for the link to even activate. As we get closer to the fix, you can feel the fluid workflow between your timeline and your motion graphics returning. Here is a secret trick that other creators missed. If your versions match but the link is still grayed out, it is because the Dynamic Link Manager is stuck in your background processes. You must open Task Manager, kill every process starting with Adobe Dynamic Link, and then relaunch Premiere. This pro tip force restarts a handshake protocol that usually hangs after a long editing session. To fix your grayed out Dynamic Link and prove you are a post-production pro, you must go to File, then Project Settings, and ensure Enable Project Locking is unchecked, as this hidden setting often blocks external apps from grabbing the sequence data. That specific toggle combined with a process restart makes the Replace option reappear instantly. If you want the solution for Dynamic Link showing a black screen during export, just drop a comment below.